So, in this video I will test some great Apple Watch bands from Adepoy. You will find links down below in the description text where you can buy them, and I will go through all these 7 watch bands. And you will find a demonstration of all the bands in the end of this video, so check that out. And I must start saying that these watch bands from Adepoy has a very high quality. They are very easy to attach and use and looks good. And the bands I will test is Adepoy's Soft Silicone Replacement Bands with a more military look, if you know what I mean. And also 2 Stretchy Solo Loop Bands. And they are great because you can adjust the size of the band and use it as a Stretchy Solo Loop Band. So you don't have to bother with a clasp or anything. Just put it on as a wristband. And I will also try the Soft Silicone Sport Wristband with a Classic Clasp. 3 different colors. All the Adepoy Apple Watch bands comes in a very simple package. Just open a plastic bag and voila, you get the watch band in your hand. And soft silicone replacement bands then, that looks a bit tough military look in both white and gray. On Adepoy's Amazon webpage you can find more colors of this watch band. Personally I think the gray version looks awesome. And also the white, of course, but my personal favorite of these 2 colors are the gray version. And the very smart Stretchy Solo Loop Bands I have in 2 colors here, wine red and black. And I think the wine red looks gorgeous, so classy. A very luxurious look, I think. But also the black one is great to have, matches clothes quite good. And as I said before, these Stretchy Solo Loop Bands, you can adjust the size before using them. So if you have a small wrist or a large wrist, you can adjust that and then just put them on without any hassle, no clasp, no anything to adjust. Just do it once and then they fit. I like the red wine version best because it looks more classy than the black. And then we have the Soft Silicone Sport Wristbands from Adepoy, and these comes in yellow, mint green and pink. There is a lot more colors to choose from on Adepoy's web page, so go check all the colors out. But between these I think the yellow looks best, but also the mint green looks quite cool. Pink is maybe not my favorite color, but this version of pink looks quite good. So all in all you have a lot of different colors to choose from, so go check Adepoy's Amazon webpage out. You have the links down below in the description text, and they also do a lot of other accessories for Apple Watch. Go check that out. And of course they come in all the different watch sizes, so you have 38, 40, 41, 42, 44 millimeter. Just choose the best for your watch. You have them all there. On the site you can choose which size you have on your watch. I can highly recommend Adepoy's Apple Watch bands. They have a high build quality and will last long, I'm sure of that.